justify. But baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment, we're breathing life.
Hello friends, my name is Tammy and welcome to my 2023 fall home tour. So I'm going to be showing you all the home decor that I have for the fall season, and I'll be letting you know where everything is from in case there is anything that catches your eye. I will try and link everything in the description box below, but I will also just let you know what store I got it from otherwise. So go ahead and grab a pumpkin spice latte or whatever warm drink that you enjoy, and let's cozy up and get some fall inspiration together. So I'm gonna start here in my front entryway since it is the first place that you will see when you come into my home. Now this wreath was on my front door. I just brought it in so that I could show you. So after I decorated up my whole front entryway, I was at a garage sale down the street and they were giving away a whole bunch of stuff that they just wanted to get rid of. And so I found this old wreath, but it had kind of like 80s vibes to it, which isn't bad, but it really wasn't what I was going for. So I revamped it so that it would match the garland that I have on my staircase, which I will show you right now. So I'm at the top of my stairs that lead down into my front entryway, and I thought I would show you the garland from up here because you get a better view of it. Now this was all made from dollar store items, so there's burlap and leaves and raffia, and I custom made it for the rail, but I have it running along the banister here as well as the railing that goes down into the front entryway.
World had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
So coming back down the stairs, I'll show you this little area that's right by my front door. So on the bench here, I have two pillows that are from HomeSense. And just so you guys know, I have a ton of stuff that is from HomeSense. And if you are from the United States and you are wondering what store that is, it is the exact same store as Home Goods. HomeSense is just the Canadian version of that. So like I said, these two pillows are from HomeSense. And this pillow here, I got this last year and my daughter stole this all year long. I had to steal it back from her because she has a cockatiel and he is attached to inanimate objects, and this pillow was one of them. He absolutely loves it. Anyways, I love it too. It has a really cool sweater texture here in the pumpkins, and it has like the plaid orange and everything. So anyhow, I had to take that back because yeah, he was in love with it, and he will be in love with you if you are holding the pillow. Anyhow, he's a weird bird, but whatever, he's really cute. Anyhow, moving on from there, I will show you just by here the olive tree. Now, I love incorporating little animals into my decor because I do have like a 6-year-old and a 12-year-old who really enjoy that kind of thing. And then this little pumpkin here is from Dollarama. This is from an old wreath, and I don't know what happened to the wreath. I think I may have sold it or something, but this one fell off of there, so I'm still using it. And then I have some little pine cones and acorns, and these are from Dollarama. They came in like a little pack. This is from HomeSense. I got this a couple years ago, and I have used it in my decor like every single year. And then this one is new this year. This is from Dollarama. In this black basket, which is from IKEA, is a pillow, which is also from IKEA. And then I have this autumny throw blanket, which is from HomeSense.
Dreaming of you.
kitchen. I'll start here on my island. So everything on this tray, including the tray itself, is from HomeSense. So I got the tray this year, and then this is what I got last year. It's this beautiful amber jar, and then I also got the floral arrangement. And then this candle I got this year, it's called Pumpkin Harvest, and I did notice that they had a few different colors for the same scent, so I thought that was kind of neat, so you could get like white or orange. And then in this little jar here, I just have some Reese's Pieces because I love the fall colors of them, even though I know you can just eat those all year long. On my countertop, I have this beautiful cake stand where I put some pumpkin spice muffin, and then I have this little pumpkin here. This is from Dollarama, and then I have a pumpkin apple candle from Bath & Body Works. This little wooden riser here is from HomeSense. I got it in a pack of 2, and so I'm just putting my butter dish and salt and pepper shakers on there. And then over here is my cookbook, and then this stand is from Amazon. These hand towels came in a set. They're from HomeSense, and I just love the little kitties on here that have the toques and scarves along with the pumpkins and leaves. Moving on to my coffee station, this little white pumpkin is from Dollarama, and then I have a bunch of really cute fall mugs. So this one that I'm using right now is from HomeSense. So it looks like a little pumpkin, and it has a little brown handle. It is absolutely adorable. So this one I got this year. In my cupboard here, I actually had to put away a few like kind of summery mugs so that I can make room for my fall mugs, but I'll show you what I have here. So this one is from Harry Potter World in Universal Studios and is a little cauldron. And then I have 2 of these, and these are from HomeSense, but I got them a really long time ago, so I highly doubt you'll be able to find them because I think these are like 10 years old or so. And then another mug that I got last year, and this is one of my favorites. I love how big it is, and it has Snoopy and leaves on it. There's even a leaf in the middle, so this is definitely one of my favorites. And one of my favorite things about fall is when I get to bring my fall mugs out because I love coffee, and I just think these are just so adorably cute. On my pantry door, I have this beautiful wreath that is from HomeSense. And then moving over to beside the fridge, I have the other little wooden riser, and then this pumpkin is from Dollarama, and then I have this really cute pumpkin spice vibe sign that was made by a friend of mine.
It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight.
In my dining room, I have it all set up for dinner tonight with a beautiful fall tablescape. So a lot of these items are from Dollarama, such as the table runner, the garland that goes around the candle holder, as well as these mugs. And I thought that these were really cool for fall because they look like old-fashioned beer mugs, so we could put like butter beer in here or apple cider. I just thought this would be a really great fall drink holder. Okay, so then I also have this black silverware. This is from Temu. And then I have these placemats. They're from Amazon. And the candle holder in the middle is from HomeSense.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
So we're gonna finish the tour up here in my living room, and honestly, when I walk into this room, I feel like fall just kind of exploded everywhere, and I kind of don't mind it. Also, after the tour, I did want to let you guys know to stick around till the end, because I do have something that I want to share with you guys, which is kind of sad but kind of happy. It's very bittersweet, but it is some news that I did want to share with you guys, so make sure that you stay tuned till the end for that. In front of my fireplace, I put 2 groups of 3 items. So the basket is from Walmart, and then the blanket and pillow are from IKEA. The pumpkin is from HomeSense, as well as the little lantern over there. And then I had some Dollarama leaves that I put in the top of it. The thing I like about these lanterns is that I can decorate them different for every season. And then this lighted pumpkin here is from HomeSense, as well as this one, which is new this year. And that one is also from HomeSense, and I love how it's kind of squishy. Over here on the side table, the florals are from Dollarama as well as IKEA. The jar is from IKEA, and then this little sand art frame is from Temu. And it was orange, so I thought it can go in with the fall decor. Plus, it just looks really cool and it's fun to play with. On my other side table are 2 more little items that are from Dollarama. On my central coffee table, I decided to put everything on a tray so that it is all easily removable in case we ever want to use this, but we can just pop it back on when we want to. So the pumpkin here is from HomeSense, and it is super pretty. It's all lit up. And then the candle here is from Bath & Body Works, as well as the holder. And then I have a little pumpkin there from Dollarama. These pillows here are one of my favorite new additions. As you can tell, they are huge and they are soft and they are just like squishy, and so they're really comfortable, and I'm actually kind of thinking that I can just get new pillow covers for these throughout the seasons, because the pillows themselves are like just so nice. So these are from, again, HomeSense, and they were worth every penny. I really, really love these. So I have 3 of them, and I put them in each corner of my couch.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So I did mention that I had something to share with you guys, and that is these 2. They are ragdoll kittens. They're brother and sister. This one is Millie and this is Jasper, and they're about 2.5 months old right now. So Jasper, he has kind of fluffier fur and he's a little bit bigger, and then Millie has more of like the grayer face and paws, and she's just a little bit smaller. So yeah, we have these 2 wonderful soft kittens that we absolutely adore. They give us so much joy. My kids absolutely love them. They get so much cuddles, and yeah, they're really, really special. But if you guys have been around my channel for a while, then you might wonder what this means, because what about Pasha? Now, if you don't know who Pasha is, she was our 19-year-old cat. She was often in the background of videos, and she was just a very, very special cat. She lived through all of my children. I had her before I had any of my kids, and I have an 18-year-old daughter. But last month, she just took a really bad turn, and and we just realized that she was suffering, and so yeah, we had to say goodbye to her. And it was hard, but it was also like we knew it was the best thing. And the week before she took a turn for the worse, she actually started getting very affectionate. She would always like jump up on my lap and start purring, and it was a little bit out of the ordinary for her because she wasn't usually quite that affectionate, but it was sort of like she knew she was gonna have to say goodbye soon, and she was just letting me know, like, thank you for the last 19 years, and I know that you've taken care of me, I know that you've loved me. And so she was just trying to be affectionate and let us know that she was gonna have to go soon, and she was just sort of saying goodbye. So sorry. And it's really hard to say goodbye to a pet, especially one that you've had like for so much of your life. And you know, to anyone out there who's lost a pet, like, my heart absolutely goes out to you, because I understand how heart-wrenching it can be, and they are like part of your family. And with Pasha, like, she had just been around for so long, we just couldn't imagine not having her here. The kittens, however, they are very healing, and they are very playful, and they just bring happiness and joy to our family right now, and so I am very grateful for them. So I'm sorry if this is kind of ending on a sad note. It's kind of like a bittersweet happy sadness, but I did want to share the new kittens with you guys, and in order to share the new kittens, I also had to tell you the really sad news about Pasha. So in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed all of the fall decor, and it gave you a little bit of inspiration, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me.